Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the caption colors as like you speak, I guess, in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to make this video a little bit shorter so that it's going to generate quicker. So I'm just going to go to Captions and I'm going to generate it. And before I go any further, this is a pro feature. If you want to, you can do it one by one, but it is super tedious to do. So I do recommend doing it this way. You're going to add it in and you're going to go to templates and you're going to find the one that you want. So there's a lot of options you can choose from. Maybe this one or maybe this one. I'm just going to select one. Let's see. I'll choose this one and you're going to select generate caption for it. And that is it. You can change the colors one by one yourself, but it's super tedious. You're also going to remove the first one too. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!